When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And when the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. For though they may be parted, there is still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. The night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine until tomorrow, let it be. I wake up to the sound of music. Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. And let it be, let it be, let it be, oh, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Alright, that was a song, Letter B. So, please don't forget to follow this page also, East Side Band, and on our YouTube channel, that's East Side PH. Alright, here's a song, Yesterday. Kasi may mga pagkakataon na ang sarap balikan ng mga nakaraan, ng mga kahapong nagdaan. May ganun eh. Ayan, so let's enjoy this Saturday jam with East Side Band. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Yesterday. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Yesterday. Love is such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Yesterday. In the meantime, here's another Beatles song. Here's I Will, para to sa mga malapit na ikasal o mga nagbabalak ng magpakasal pero wala pang mapapakasalan. Here's a song, I Will. Reserve niyo po ang song na to sa araw ng inyong kasalan. Who knows how long I'll love you? You know I love you still. Will I wait a lonely lifetime? If you want me to, I will. For if I ever saw you, I didn't catch your name, but it never really mattered. I will always be the same. Love you forever and forever. Love you with all my heart. Love you whenever we're together. Love you when we're apart. And when at last I find you, your song will fill the air. Sing it loud so I can hear you. Make it easy to be near you. For the things you do endear you to me. Oh, you know I will. Love you forever and forever. Love you with all my heart. Love you whenever we're together. Love you when we're apart. And when at last I find you, your song will fill the